How can I check if my 12-volt AGM battery is fully charged?
Hello everyone. Today we'll be diving into the topic of maintaining your AGM, absorbent glass mat, batteries. More specifically, we will be discussing how to check if your 12-volt AGM battery is fully charged. This is crucial knowledge for anyone using these batteries, as it ensures optimal performance and longevity.
What are the indicators of a fully charged AGM battery?
The voltage of a fully charged 12-volt AGM battery typically ranges from 12.8 to 13.1 volts. If the voltage is below 12.8 volts, it indicates that the battery is not fully charged. If the voltage exceeds 13.1 volts, it may be overcharged, which can also cause damage.
What equipment will I need?
To check the voltage of your battery, you will need a digital multimeter. This is a tool that can measure voltage, current, and resistance. It's a handy and affordable piece of equipment that you can pick up from any hardware store.
How to check the voltage of your AGM battery?
Follow the steps below to check the voltage of your battery. 1. Turn off any devices that might be drawing power from the battery. 2. Connect the red lead of your multimeter to the positive terminal of your battery, and the black lead to the negative terminal. 3. Set your multimeter to DC voltage. 4. Read the voltage on the multimeter's display. Remember, a reading between 12.8 and 13.1 volts indicates that your battery is fully charged.
How often should I check my battery's voltage?
It's a good practice to check your battery's voltage every month. Regular maintenance helps you keep the battery in good shape and prolongs its lifespan. That's it for today's lesson on checking the charge status of your 12-volt AGM battery. I hope this guide helps you maintain your AGM batteries in peak condition. Remember, a regular checkup goes a long way in ensuring the longevity of your batteries. Thanks for watching, and happy testing!